Hi guys, welcome to the second part of the final project on JavaScript. So now we're going to start with JavaScript code, and to do that you already know you have to type in between the head tags here. Let's type script, type text JavaScript, and close script. Okay. Now between the script text is where we're going to put the JavaScript code. So the first thing I'm going to do is create a function that will grab all the elements or all the ID or all the inputs. So you'll see that we have an ID for each input, and I'm going to create an array within a function to grab all those inputs. So then we can make reference to all those inputs and create different outputs for all those inputs, saying your password is wrong, or your email is wrong, or please type a name. Okay, but don't worry, we will get to that. Let's go step by step and first create a function called register, and here I'm going to create a variable x and an array in the variable. So let's type new array, and down here let's type x 0 equals 2. Now I'm going to show you a very cool feature, or sorry, a very cool method that you can use, or function in JavaScript, which is the get element by ID. And basically what it does, it's grab any element that has an ID on your XHTML code. So it will grab one by one the ID name, the L name, and then you can control each of one of those inputs. So to do this, we have to type document dot get element by ID, and pay attention to the capital letters, okay, because this is case sensitive. You have to type as I typed in here, okay, E in capital E, capital B, and capital I, and now parentheses, and inside the parentheses between quotes you have to type the name of the ID. So the first one is name. Let's grab it, name, and then you type dot value. Okay, so this is making reference to anything that you type in the in here. Okay, so anything you typed in here is the value that will be stored in this variable. Okay, sorry, in this array position, which is the 0. Now let's type the next one, which is 1, and basically you can grab all this as well, copy, paste it, and now in here instead of name we have to type L name. Okay, let's copy this and put another one here. This is the 2, copy, and another, and this is 3. So after L name, I think we have the email, and then we have the password, and the last one is the C password, which is the confirm password here. Okay, so get element by ID, C password, perfect. Okay, now I'm going to create another function, but before that I'm just gonna make sure that this is working, this function. Now for this function to work, we have a little we can use a little function called the onClick in here, and this is an event handler for the we can use this a lot in forms, which is basically when we click a button, do or call a function. So to use it, we just have to go to the submit. After value submit, we type onClick equals double quotes, and here we type the function that we want to run in JavaScript as soon as we click the submit button, and this will be the register function. So let's type here register. Make sure you put the parentheses as well. Okay. Okay, here it is. Now we just grabbed and put all the elements in an array, but to output something, let's type alert parentheses, and here let's type X. Let's call the name. Let's see if we can output the name as soon as we click the submit button. Obviously we have to go in here, refresh the page. Now let's try this. Let's see if it works. Let's type Victor, or you can put your name on it, and as soon as we click submit, an alert box will appear saying Victor. Okay, now this guarantees that the code is working. Okay, so make sure that whenever you click the submit button, type a name first, and when you click the submit button, you'll have an alert box. Okay, so if it's not working, something is wrong with your code. So check your code again, or review the video. Okay, so now we can go on to the next function, but we will proceed with in the next video. Okay, guys. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.